if you're looking kinda hot.
Hi guys, Ronsay here. Welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna be using this vintage rose hair for my box braid wig. Yes, it's a different color and I wanted to go bold today again. I am first of all going to cut the hair into two sections, okay, because I want this braid a little longer than usual, and also I wanted to make sure that this hair is a little thicker. So for this whole wig I did use 4 packs of hair.
For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, give me a love formation.
So I'm gonna make sure I secure my wig cap first, and then I am going to pin down the lace.
Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever.
So after pinning down the lace, I am just going to cut around those excess areas.
I'm guilty. Yeah. No matter what you do for your love, I come over.
I'm gonna use the needle and thread and just sew the lace on the wig cap, and then I am going to of course cut out the excess areas, and then we're gonna start with the whole process, okay?
Yeah, I want to be all over, be all over, be all over, yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover, yeah. I don't like teach no bit. I let them pick myself for you love me, I know they fret. Yeah, yeah, damn.
So now I'm going to just pin it down again, and it's time to install this hair. I'm just gonna take the amount of hair that I need for a strand. I will divide it into 2, and then the first half I'm gonna use a crochet hook and just install it through. For the first half I'm just gonna use a crochet hook and hook the hair through and hold one hand and pull the other end, so I could actually get this hair together, and then I'm gonna attach the other half and just start braiding.
I don't go girls for your lover, I'm guilty.
So I'm just going to attach the other half and braid it down. So I'm just gonna attach the other half and braid it down.
I love it. Yeah, yeah. I let them tell me, oh yeah. For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, yeah. Give me a love formation. With you, I want to die. Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. Since I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. No matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love, they give me a over. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Bara bara. Dama dama. Yeah, yeah. I want to be all over, be all over, be all over, yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover, yeah. now, babe. I let that pick me say for you love me, I know the afraid. Yeah, yeah, damn, 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 I love you, damn, damn, you love the travel, crazy. You love the travel, crazy. Yeah. Website connection, extra large entertainment. Yeah. It no matter if you there, Kabbalah. Me no care the anything for your love I go do. Yeah. I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The bird don't go crazy for you, yeah. I'm a mad lover, yeah. You can say I don't go girls for your lover, I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how they feel love for you, but Adamu, your body do me something better. Oh, Adamu, yeah. I love you, yeah, yeah. I let them tell me, oh yeah. For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, yeah. Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die, yeah. Give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. And say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love you, they give me hangover. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Bara bara. Dama dama. Yeah, yeah. I want be your lover, be your lover, be your lover, yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover, yeah. I don't ain't like cheech now, babe. I let that pick me say for you love me, I know the afraid. Yeah, yeah, damn, damn, I love you, damn, damn, you love the travel, crazy. You love the travel, crazy. Yeah. Website connection, extra large entertainment. Bra. Yeah. Ready for you, yeah. I'm a mad lover, yeah. You can say I don't go girls for your lover, I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how they feel love for you, but
So for the front part on the lace, I'm gonna be using this tiny crochet hook to hook the hair through and make a knot. I am taking the small amount of hair to install, make this knot, because I don't want the lace to break, but I just want you to know that the same amount of hair that I use for all this box braids is the same I'm going to use. I just took a little smaller because of the lace here to make the knots. So I will be doing this knot for like a line or two, and then I'm gonna just attach the other hair and just braid it down.
Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. And say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love you, they give me hangover. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Dama dama, yeah, yeah. I want be all over, be all over, be all over, yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover, yeah. I don't like cheat now, babe. I let her pick me, say for you love me, I know they afraid. Yeah, yeah, Adam, oh, Adam, Adam, yeah. I love you, oh, Adam, 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 yeah. You love the trouble, crazy. You love the trouble, crazy. Yeah. Website connection. Extra. Yeah. It no matter if you there. Kabbalah. Me no care the anything for you love I go do. Yeah. I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The boy don't go crazy for you, yeah. I'm a mad lover, yeah. Yeah. Can say I don't go girls for your lover, I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how I they feel love for you, but Adamu, your body do me something better. Oh, Adamu, yeah. I love you, yeah, yeah. I let them tell me, oh yeah, for you. I die for you, yeah.
So now I'm gonna take a scissor and trim the hair down, and when I'm done I'm gonna be ready to get those baby hairs in the front section, because the look is not yet complete. So now I'm installing some baby hairs with the same crochet hook.
Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. And say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do, for your love I come over. Adamo, this you love you, they give me a buffer. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Bara bara. Dama dama. Yeah, yeah. I want be all over, be all over, be all over.
Just love how it look. It's really thin, not too much baby hair. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back next week on my next one. Peace out.